If I had just 60 seconds to change your life, I wouldn't give you advice. I'd tell you a story. A few years ago, I woke up every day with this weight in my chest. Not because I was failing, but because I was doing nothing. I'd scroll through my phone, laugh at reels, save posts like, "This will change my life," and then do nothing. I kept telling myself, one day I'll get serious. One day I'll show them. One day I'll become someone I'm proud of. But one day kept becoming never. Then one night, I saw a version of myself in the mirror I couldn't ignore. Tired eyes, wasted time, fake smiles. That's when it hit me. No one's coming, not to save me, not to push me, not to believe in me. It was me versus me. And if I didn't move, my dream would die of waiting. So I picked one habit, just one. Woke up early, started writing, ate better. And you know what happened? Nothing magical, no instant success. But for the first time, I trusted myself. And that was enough to start. So now I'm telling you, don't wait for life to give you a green signal. Take one small step, repeat it, and let your future self say, "You didn't give up on me."